Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that many of us are passionate about: maintaining youthful, radiant skin and tackling those pesky signs of premature aging. If you have ever looked in the mirror and wonder how to keep that youthful glow, you are in the right place. We are going to explore three incredible oils that can transform your skin and help you look and feel your best. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's get started. Before we dive into the magic of these oils, let us talk about why premature aging happens. Factors like UV exposure, stress, pollution, and even our diet can accelerate the aging process. Fine lines, wrinkle, dullness, these are all signs that our skin needs a bit more love and care. But don't worry, nature has some amazing solutions. Let us uncover the secret of Rosehip Seed Oil, Argan Oil, Jojoba Oil. First up, we have Rosehip Seed Oil. This oil is nothing short of a miracle worker for your skin. Extracted from the seeds of wild rose bushes, it is packed with vitamin A and C and essential fatty acids. Here is why it is amazing for anti-aging. Vitamin A, also known as retinol, is crucial for skin regeneration. It helps to boost collagen production, which reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C is powerful antioxidant that brightens your skin and fades dark spots, giving you that coveted glow. And those essential fatty acids, they keep your skin hydrated and improve its elasticity. Applying rosehip seed oil is simple. After cleansing your face, take a few drops and gently massage it into your skin. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. After cleansing your face, take a few drops and gently massage it into your skin. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. You can use it both in morning and at night. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Next, let us talk about argan oil, often called liquid gold. This oil hails from Morocco and is renowned for its high vitamin E and fatty acid content. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that protects your skin from free radicals, which are one of the main causes of premature aging. The essential fatty acids, particularly linoleic and oleic acids, helps to maintain your skin's hydration and elasticity. To use argan oil, warm a few drops in your hands and apply it to your face and neck after cleansing. It's best used at night due to its rich consistency, allowing your skin to absorb all its goodness while you sleep. You'll wake up with skin that feels soft, nourished, and rejuvenated. Last but not least, we have jojoba oil. What's unique about jojoba oil is that it closely resembles the natural oils our skin produces, making it suitable for all skin types. Jojoba oil is rich in vitamin E and B complex, along with minerals like zinc and copper. These nutrients help repair skin damage, reduce inflammation, and prevent acne, key factor in maintaining a youthful appearance. You can use jojoba oil as a daily moisturizer. Just apply a few drops to your face and neck after cleansing. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly, making it perfect for your daytime use under makeup or as a part of your nighttime routine. Now let us see how to integrate these oils into your skincare routine. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and impurities. Follow with a toner to balance your skin's pH. Then choose one of the oils and gently massage it into your face and neck. Finally, seal in the moisture with your favorite moisturizer. And don't forget to apply sunscreen in the morning to protect your skin from UV damage. Incorporating these oils into your skincare routine, you can make a world of difference. They are natural, effective, and bringing a wealth of benefits that helps combat premature aging and gives you that youthful glow. Remember, consistency is key. Give your skin the love it deserves, and it will reward you with radiance and vitality. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare tips and natural beauty secrets. Leave a comment below if you have tried any of these oils or if you have other favorites. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and stay glowing.